Motorola Moto E4 Plus Motherboard Assembly. Motherboard Assembly Prereq. To take off the keyboard, there are 3 tabs at the top of the keyboard in the locations shown in the picture that you must press and unclip. They are located behind each of the keys that are removed. You do not need to remove any keys to unclip the keyboard. We did this for picture purposes only. You can use a small metal spudger to depress each tab to avoid scratching the keyboard. Lift up keyboard so that you are able to see the ribbon cable connected to the contact. Flip up the ZIF connector holding the ribbon cable on the contact as shown in the 2 pictures and then gently disconnect the ribbon cable. After we remove the keyboard, you can clearly see the screws under it. Remove the 10 3mm long Phillips head screws. Flip over the lapdock and remove the 4 3.5mm long Phillips head screws from the bottom. Use a plastic prying tool to take off the bottom case. Make sure that all of the clips are unclipped before trying to remove the case. Remove the 2 2mm long Phillips head screws from each speaker. Insert wisdom here. Unplug speakers from master chip. Unhook each speaker wire from the tabs that are holding them in place. Insert wisdom here. Gently unplug the speaker connection from the motherboard.